I'm actually in daycare today, and today we've been doing some building with our blocks. Now I thought this would be a good activity for some of our older friends, using the dominoes to make different patterns. Have a look what I've created here as an example for you. You can create the different patterns, and when you've done lots of balancing and used your hand-eye coordination to get all of your dominoes together, you can push the first one over and watch them all fall down. Now, if you're a little bit younger, you might like to use your dominoes or your Jenga blocks to do some building. Maybe you could build a city, maybe you could build a jungle, maybe you could do some pretty intricate architectural designs. Maybe take a picture and send us an email at elcwombats@outlook.com. All right, guys, we're looking forward to seeing your creations. See you for the next activity soon. Bye.